Well, oh look, it's me. Oh, yes. Yes. Probably should turn the camera on. Hello. Try the British way. Hello. No, that's French. Hello, hello. That's French. Except it's an A. Hello, hello. Anyway, hello. Hello, geezer. How you doing, mate? What's up, pal? I turned myself into no signal. Hoodie keeps getting caught on the cushion. Yes, why? Why this? Why that's still going?
Say hello to my little friend.
No? Okay. No, that's the wrong command. That's the right command. Apparently I've changed the But why is that not going away? Thank you. Finally. Anyway. I have to use somebody else's name, otherwise it wouldn't clear it. Anyway, good. Let's try this again. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, greetings and salutations, happy time zones to you all. Welcome to this installment of Red Plays Eden Crafters. Part 3, I guess, although you don't really have to have watched others to know what I've done. I've been busy. Even OBS is having a Monday. Yeah. Is it Monday? It is Monday. It is Monday. Wow. Okay, so what have we done? Last episode. Is the music alright? Or is it just me being a bit loud? Why would it be just me being a bit loud? Or the being loud? Anyway, last episode we went and got the gold from all the way over there. We set ourselves up. I started with the roller. I started working out, where we're going to do the factory and stuff. Then we had stuff falling from the skies. So where the nodes are were falling from the skies, which is why I've got a node there and a node there. I don't know if you could see them. I might have done a little bit whilst we were offline. I wanted to kind of flatten out an area for the factory to be worked on. And then I might have got carried away. And we might have roads. So suddenly yes. Would you believe this is neater than it was? I'm shouting again, aren't I? This is neater than it was. It's still not brilliant, but it's better. It's better than it was. And it would appear these warehouses, I can manually build stuff from these warehouses with stuff that's in there. I'm not quite sure how it works, but anyway, that's where we're at. Our objective was to analyze some carbon-based materials, graphene, and then we can unlock the rover, the cooling module, the carbon refiner, conveyor 2, and then we get on to various other bits and pieces. Now, I think, can't remember, I got some graphene. The warehouses are very shiny. Yes. Yes, they are. But we're here. I'm gonna run the material analyzer. Not enough coal. I don't want coal. I got. Oh, I need 30 graphene. Okay. What did I do with the car? I put the car away. Yeah, so I've started reorganizing some stuff. I'm not hearing very much game stuff. No, still not hearing any game stuff. I'm not hearing any game stuff. Anyone else hearing game stuff? That was a little unexpected. He's weird. Yeah, the music is very, very loud. Apparently that's too steep. I've turned the music down. I heard that. I've turned the music down. Hopefully that's all right now. I think something needs to be done about the cars and the ground still. Because yes, you can level everything out, but one of the issues is you level everything out and you go for smooth and it's not very smooth and the car doesn't like it very much. But I guess that's why you build roads. I mean, I like the idea that we build roads. Right, let's have some food because we don't want to die. Okay, there we go. I'm still very surprised at how quiet it is. Mind you, he's quite loud when he does this. We now have a carbon refiner, a cooling module, a rover. Okay. So we need carbon fiber. Okay, that's new. One of the things I was going to do, the thing that surprised me here, right, when I built the warehouses, was I was expecting there to be an output on the warehouse, but there isn't. I'm going to try this. So I started off with this idea and I don't think it's working for me. I think what I can do we'll try if this works. Right, have I got any iron on me? I've got no iron on me. But I can make iron. So, right. So putting stuff into the warehouse gives me access to the materials to make stuff here. But I'm still going to need, I'm sure, you know, if I'm not careful. Still sure I don't even remember what the computer requires. That's circuit boards. Right, so, okay. So you want one warehouse with raw materials and one warehouse to then have all of the bits going into it. Okay. I need more I-beams. Right, okay. Right, as I expected, I've still got to deliver stuff. Okay. So this wonderful layout that I've got back here, because I expected stuff to go into the warehouse and come out. Turns out there's no way out of the warehouse. The warehouse is really for me. Okay. Windows, reinforced frame, advanced forge, carbon. I thought it said cannon energy. Right, so gold ore. Well, we can do gold ore. Let's do that and unlock that. I think the thing that I dislike the most are the pipes. They seem to be... I'd like the pipes to be more like the pipes in... Oh, okay. More like the pipes in Satisfactory. I like that. I like that control mechanism. Where you can just, you can drag it and then you can get it to make lines. Okay, so what's the next one you're going to want? So the next one is going to be phosphorus, but we don't have phosphorus. So I can get a bulldozer. Alright, so I can raise or lower. Vehicle charge, oh that's good. I can recharge vehicles and then make a vehicle for land, a hangar for land vehicles. Right, and that's for farming obviously. I'm kind of wondering if I should build another one of these kind of like down around here. But I don't think I've got the, well, I don't have the water infrastructure. Yeah, we're just about coping with that. I'm wondering about moving that along here, so that then that will start building that. I mean, we've got a tree up there. Right, has it unlocked anything? Oh, I moved away. I'm sorry. I didn't expect that to be a complaint. Alloy forge, bulldozer, vehicle charge panel, vehicle hangar. Okay. Air vent, large air vent. Can replace a roof section in a hangar. Okay. A hangar for land vehicles. I need steel alloy. Right, let's get the factory going. Right, okay, so this is not going to work. Because I need to take the raw material. That's definitely not going to work then, is it? It's not connected. What? No. No. There we go, that's why. What? Why are you not working? Right, okay, so as I say, I thought there would be like an input and an output, but there isn't. So, change of plan. I don't know what the range of warehouses is. I don't know if there's a range to a warehouse. If I did that, I want materials to go into it, don't I? Yeah, I guess if I do this in a line along here, then I can have... But I've kind of scuppered myself. Okay. I've scuppered myself in that. Ideally, what I want is... I want each one of these to split in two. Okay. Interesting. Really not what I was expecting. But okay. Look, I've turned my torch on. It's great. I've got... Does the drone have a torch? There's... Found multi-tool flashlight. No. Okay, so I have a flashlight. The drone doesn't. It'll take a while to dismantle that. What I thought. Okay. What if I put them along here? If I get the car and flatten that area, like so. Ta-da. We shall just flatten the entire planet. It will no longer be a round planet. It will be a square planet. Because reasons. All right. Okay. Okay. So I probably need to split that. Do I want to split it multiple times? No. We'll split it once. Nope, I didn't want it there. My finger caught the button. There. What do you need? I bet you need steel. Yep, carbon fibre, there we go. Okay. Right. So then we are going to want, wherever it's gone, that. So let's put you to be a number 6. It would be nice to have an actual number of how high up you are. Right, you're going to need to do the same. Although I suspect what I might end up needing to do is have one feed for my making stuff, and then one feed, multiple feeds to feed other machines. I suspect. Here comes the sun. La 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 la. Actually, let's just push that to there. Because I'm still going to need to go from here to there, but you're going to need that as well. And that the right way round. Nice. Straight lines. We like straight lines. Shame we haven't got them up there, eh? Right, okay. Do I have one doing each? No. What we could do is convert that into a 2-level storage. Yeah. If we turn that into a 2-level storage or a level 2 storage, whatever we're calling it, then what we can do we still have that input. Why are you getting rid of a warehouse? Because then it's going in. It's still filling up. Now, still filling up, but what we can do put that on there. I mean, they're all about the same height. Do I need iron beams? Of course I need iron beams. And I'm almost out of food. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, try again. That one, and that one. Right. Boop, boop. Same again. I mean, them being the same height is probably going to cause me problems. Right, okay. We get rid of you, everything's going to be overloaded. Doesn't really matter though, because there's nothing much in there we don't already have and can't replace. But I think it's fine. Oh boo. wanted it to overlap. I mean, that one's already done. Nope, wrong way round. Right. Okay. Go on there. I need iron plate. What do you mean I need iron plate? I've got one in there. Okay. Doing it again. Pressing shift. Pressing shift to go faster. Which doesn't work in this game. For the drone anyway. What am I missing now? Iron beams. This is where I want iron beams. I might build a new base down this end. Well, actually, yeah, let's do that. Build a workshop. I don't have any rocks. Okay, fine. Probably all right with everything else. So I need you. Do that. I'm surprised that it allowed that to happen. Actually, it's going to the wrong place, isn't it? It wants to go to... number 2. You can go to number 1. Right, logistics. Where are we? That one. 7 at the moment. Yep, didn't think that one would work. Still doing it. I keep pressing shift. I'm waiting. Just about. Just the one. 6. No. Okay. That is very slow. You got your frigate! Yay, Fox! Congratulations. Good job. Well done. I haven't. I need money and I need bits. But we'll get there, it's fine. Okay. Sails are so big you can't see in front of it and don't care. Fair enough. I understand. It's you've got your frigate. That's the important thing, isn't it? I get it. Right, okay, so I can get rid of that now. Joyce went on the Brethren. You saw the figurehead of the Blackbeard one, and you was like, hell no. The Blackbeard one, the one I've got at the moment, I think it's got a skeleton with a sword. I think. Okay, so... It's Cthulhu on the frick... Oh! Maybe not then. You sure it's Cthulhu and not just a squid? Or the Kraken? You prefer the woman with the sword? Yeah, I can understand that over Cthulhu. So there's a door there. Okay. Door for that. So the door for the hangar. So you still need steel alloy. Whatever you're going to do. Okay. What's the conveyor belt making the noise? What? Hey, so how are we going to do this thing? The conveyor belt's nowhere near as helpful as I suspect, I'm pretty sure in fact, what I can't do is put a splitter on the conveyor belt. I'm pretty sure that's not going to work. Yeah. That's not going to work. Okay. The Brethren is the slowest in the game. Don't steal. It's still 200k health. No, that's cool. And then once you've got the your kill and you've got your guns, you're ready to take on pretty much anything. I mean, the concept itself is okay. What the thing? Oop, cushion's got caught up. So what I'm thinking here is like in stationeers, you can have your conveyor belt, you put a splitter on, and your conveyor belt can carry on, and then you can just come down. I don't think you can do that in this, as we've just proven. So I don't have any scaffolding. Oh, I do have scaffolding. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, you still can't do it. I thought they said edible sign. Warehouse 2 increases the size of the maximum stack in size of elements in your inventory and the other containers. Ah, there we go. Now we've got outputs. That's more what I was expecting. Okay. Doesn't help me solve the problem I've got at the moment. Editable signs. Aha. So I can put that on top. I can put a conveyor splitter on top of that. I mean, I'm not going to lie, it does look a bit pants. Especially as that's not even in the middle. Oh, hang on. So I can only put it on the end of a conveyor belt? So I've got to have a conveyor belt first. That seems weird. That can't be right. Select the recipe you want to use to connect this support. So if I put the conveyor belt on, then I can put that on. I get it to be in the middle. Because that's not in the middle. Can't put that on, okay. Glass. Come on. You've got to be kidding me. You can't, no, that won't fit in the middle. The size of it, it won't let you fit that in the middle. That, on the other hand, can be in the middle. It looks a bit ropey. Bunker concrete doesn't work. Really? That's it. Part of me feels this, I mean, this is 1.0 now. But I feel that there's still some support beam, okay. But again, look, it doesn't fit in the grid. It doesn't actually fit in the middle of that grid. So, when I go to put this on, you can't put it in the middle. So this appears to be the only viable way of making a platform. Six by 6, 5 by 5. I mean, that looks like it's in the middle. Okay. So that works. These don't work. I genuinely find that hard to fathom. Okay. I mean, it is what it is. Where are we? Where do we build? Do we build over here? Do we knock all of this down and build here? I mean, I guess. Unless we flatten that out and then we have a series of steps. Maybe. Hey Joji, how you going? How you doing, Ethan? How's the building going? I mean, it's not going too bad. There are some limitations within the game which are a little frustrating. But, you know, like trying to make conveyor belts work. I'm probably just not doing it the way the developers expect you to do it. I mean, that would be an unusual thing for me, wouldn't it? Well, I'm trying not to spaghetti. Because you know how much I don't like spaghetti. Well, we've got Twitch ads, have we? Okay. I'm going to take a quick comfort break. I'll be back in a second. If I haven't died. Let's eat. Right, I'll be back in a minute.
Take off! What? Take off!
Right. Okay. So what I do want is I'm going to want I mean, can I suppose I can. I can build. Well, Red, you heard the bot. Spaghetti's on the menu, is it? I didn't hear the bot. Meanwhile, let's catch up with chat. Ahoy, chat. Fox has snacked a massive frigate, blocking their view but not their enthusiasm. They've chosen Cthulhu over Blackbeard. They've chosen Cthulhu over Blackbeard, favouring a sword-wielding figurehead. I think the bot's got that wrong. Meanwhile, Joji sounds in the warm evening greetings as we craft our factory in Eden Crafters. And yes, spaghetti's on the menu tonight. Keep those sales high and those ideals... Wow, those ideas higher, crew. Wow, okay. Apparently me and talking today. So... I mean, I guess I can do this, but I kind of resent doing this. I've got to put it on the outside corners. What would be nice is being able to line things up. Right, okay. You got your frigate yesterday, nice. I mean, I'm honestly not sure about this. To make this... Then made what felt like a million trips to the swamp to upgrade all the equipment on it. Yeah, that I can believe. I mean, I don't know if I can do this stuff later. The problem is, right, that actually look bigger than these. So that's confusing. Right, okay, so what do I want? I want logistics. I guess I want that. This is going to look horrible. Well, it's not the end of the world, but okay. I'm going to say that works, but that doesn't. That looks halfway decent. Right, so then you are going to make that. Right then, so then we're going to want to split that. Yep, that's what I thought. It's too close. Right, so then I want that to go down there. Apparently those are my only options. Get that one. That's just rubbish, isn't it? No, that's not what I... That was not what I wanted. Oh, come on. Really? Really? It's going to look horrible, so normal, yeah. Why? Honestly? Iron plate is your limitation. You've still got iron. That's just really slow. And it says it produces 60 a minute. But it's not. That's lying. One, two. That's producing 30 a minute. That's not producing 60 a minute, that's 30 a minute. I don't think I'm really not happy with this, I'll be honest. It just looks rubbish. You're going to have to make your factory flat. So to put your factory inside a factory, I don't know, maybe I need to be making more stuff. Establish a research base in the hottest region of the planet. Reinforced compartment with 5 data center units. And I get large osmium, water purifier and water pumps too. Osmium ore. Got osmium ore. No, I don't think I have. Anyway, getting distracted. Squirrel, you say? Right. What's the alloy? We need to make the alloy. Carbon refiner. Where's that? Alloy forge. Insulation plated alloy forge. Combines metals and other materials to create advanced alloys and composite parts. Well, I don't really want to do this, but I don't. I can't say I see any other way of doing it at the moment, given what I've got. And say, really? Come on. That's not going to work because what do I do with the conveyor belt? What's that will have to do? Right. This alloy is going to require the raw materials, isn't it? Okay, insulation layer, gold wiring and plated connector. None of that I've got set up yet. I suppose if we set, can I do? I can do that. So if I did the number warehouse number 2, where do I put you? I put you over here. That's what I thought. Do I put you up here? I mean, I think I just need to flatten this whole area. I'm not a fan of. Okay, I'm going to squirrel. I'm going to squirrel. I want the steel alloy, but I don't need it. Insulation layer requires gold. Okay, we can build that. Right, so if we come out, split, and we come over here. Apparently, what? Didn't even know that was a thing. I need to get more stuff being built. Need to get more. Whatever it is the word I'm looking for. I need to get more. I need to get more. I think that's it, really, isn't it? I just need to get more. Let's not go where it's high temperatures then. So we've got gold going in. Can quartz not go under that or something? I would have thought it was that. Transforms crafting part into selector with support for conveyors. Okay, that's not quite what I was looking for, but Okay. Right, okay. You... No. Not happy with that at all. That's acceptable. This whole me having to move around thing. Very inconvenient. Huh. Not sure what happened there, but okay. We'll start getting them going. Realised I'm going to need gears. I realised I'm not storing raw iron anywhere. I'm not storing iron ingots. Right, let's do this manually. For now. Oh, that was cobalt. Oh well. Not the end of the world. Fine, okay. Actually, I don't care about that, and I don't care about that. Don't care about that, or that, or that. The rest is more useful to me. I want gold! But if that's now connected up, we should just be able to make stuff. Where's me on? Right. I don't know why I'm making... I mean, I'm making them, but something wanted gears and I can't remember what it was. We're going to make a research thing. How many do I actually need? Oh, I need the steel alloy. How come I never saw that before? That was silly of me, wasn't it? what am I after? I'm after that. Gold wiring and plated connector. Copper ingots. I'm not storing copper ingots. Yep, I'm not storing copper ingots. I'm going to have to redesign this. So I'm going to need to have an input of all the raw materials, I think. So I need all of the raw materials. I need ingots for the raw materials. So how many is that? That's 5. That's also 5 inputs, okay. I was thinking... Dangerous, I know. What's it trying to... No, I don't want to build a... I want to build that. That's what I'm trying to build. That gold wiring. I don't want that. Go away. Not enough cobalt. Where is the cobalt? There was the cobalt. Sure, refined cobalt was going into the... It's rubber, you idiot. Oh, if I had half a brain, I'd be blooming dangerous. Okay. So I've got that. Now I can make the alloy forge. What does it need? I can build the railway. Okay, so no, it doesn't need water. Does it need water? I need graphene and ingots and water. Right, so again, I'm not storing ingots. Stop pressing shift, you idiot. Very confused as to why that's not going in the ground, or why that's sitting on top of the ground. Okay. A faster upgraded forge that expands production capabilities. Okay. Reinforced frame, advanced filters, and hydraulic piston. Well, that's not going to happen then, is it? Right, so we have an advanced miner. I think the conveyor belts are my limiting issue. Up to 60 resources per minute, yes. Okay. And that's 2, but that needs carbon fibre. Is produced in the refinery. Oh, okay. So I've already got graphene, so I just need whatever this is. What's that? Railway car? Train station. Carbon refiner. Okay. Train, buffer stop, item disposal. Okay. I can build that. Okay, let's do that. Realise I need some food. Alright, where does that end? That ends there. Goes in and out the mountain. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay. I suspect at some point we're probably going to need to have I do like the fact that it makes its own way through the hill. That's pretty good. Right. Oh, this carbon refiner. Of course it needs water. Why would it not need water? Yeah, how the hell am I going to get water to it? This is the spaghetti. Oh. My God. It's fine. I mean, see, look, me and the bot both told you. Well. Maybe. Oh, God, why can you not even do straight? What do you mean, spaghetti? I don't know what you mean. I have to be honest. Whilst overall I'm enjoying the game, the inability or the difficulty in making things straight and ordered is getting to me. I can't lie. I mean, if it works, it's not stupid, right? Okay. Other than the fact that it's too far forwards. I mean, no. I've got to take what it's got to do, haven't I? 5 on the fibre. Is it these now? 5 on fibre. So I can upgrade that. But I still don't have. Okay, well that's empty now. That what? What? Right. Where are you going? Oh, storage. Okay. Let's solve that problem. That's going to stop that. So now that's going to fill up. Right, okay. So why is that one stopped? Why is that not making anything? Because it was connected up wrong. Okay. Okay. Donk. 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 It's your fault now. So now it's just going to be the 60 to fill that up. So that moves every now and again, only because of that. Fine, I can allow that. I've lost what I was doing. Right, okay. 91%, fine. I'll take it. Can I upgrade? Oh, apparently I can. I've just upgraded the whole conveyor belt. Oh, look at that. That's much better. I'm still not convinced that that's 60 a second, 60 a minute. I guess 1 and yeah, so that is about every. I mean, that's going to vastly help, isn't it? You can see the difference already. You can hear the difference as well. These must be nearly full. No. Okay, so we've got a carbon fibre going for that. I can't remember what I wanted other than conveyor belts. Is it only costing me 1.49? Okay, 77 to upgrade that. That makes more sense. I'll say that doesn't make sense. I'm sure we've got osmium here somewhere. Yeah, osmium. I need to get osmium and do something with osmium. Okay, I'm running around with all this silica. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Yes, I know, high temperatures. Okay, this is where now. Oh, I can, okay. I was worried. I thought, oh, I know what's going to happen now. I'm not going to be able to build it. I Ah, to you too. Apparently, I don't have enough stuff. Whatever it is I need, I can't remember what I need. Plate, that's the word I'm looking for, plate. Okay. Really? Apparently, I'm still where it's hot. I'm gonna need some food. Actually, I'll do that. It's not the best conveyor belt in the world. It's just probably the best, so. Huh. Okay, I was kind of anticipating that, I'll be honest. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I mean, it works. Not quite what I was going for, but we'll go with it. I think you're just a bad influence on the bot, Joji. I think the bot was just trying to please you. That's my answer to everything. I think that conveyor belt was a bit confused. Okay. I kind of guessed I could see this coming, but... Yeah, clearly it's the belt that's confused. I feel that you're suggesting something else there, Joji. Digital. I think you're suggesting something else, or someone else is confused. I feel. Oh, apparently, okay, we're doing that now. Would I? I would never do that. You say that, Digital. You say that. You have exactly zero sarcasm in you. Again, you say that. I don't know that I believe you. One more iron plate. One more iron plate. Another day, another destiny. This endless conveyor belt to... I don't know, something. Well, that appears to be working. Right, what was I building? I was trying to build... Oh, I need this blooming alloy, don't I? To build this thing. I need steel alloy. The steel alloy needed water. Oh my god. And there. That seems entirely legitimate. I don't have multiple t-shirts talking about your sarcasm. Again! Something makes me feel that you're not giving me the full unvarnished truth there. I just don't know why. What am I doing? Hey, by name. I appear to be creating spaghetti. is what I appear to be doing. Oh, is that now limiting stuff? Does that limit stuff? It doesn't say that it limits, but it's blue. And other blue things. Sounds fun. I'm a little bit worried I can smell burning. Coming from the kitchen, presumably. Well, at least I hope it's from the kitchen. Oh, that's interesting. Why are you not working? Hello? Thank you, dear. Can I have a ketchup, please? Can I have an egg, please? Dinner has arrived. And your major malfunction is what? I don't think it's going to stop the conveyor belt, but it will stop me. There we go. Right. Okay. Yeah. Top's not been taken off. I was like, I think that looks better, doesn't it? Yes. Okay, so that doesn't limit it. Right, I'm going to go to Canada Cam while I shovel this in my cake hole. Okay. Now, yeah, the gap here is bigger than that gap. There, you can see it change there. Okay, so now that's 120. So these will be at full output. What was it needed? There are some weird things happening in this game. I was going to put it underground. Oh, graphite and iron. Iron ingots. Okay, so we've got iron. And we've got graphite. That is interesting though. No. There we go. That's going to make that better, isn't it? So now I have 240. Going into that connector. If we put the ally thing this end, we're near water. Let's do that. Let's put it this in. I'll do that. Take you and put you in there. This is the breath one, isn't it? Yeah, this is the breath one. Erg. Oh, I said I'm going to want to split that off, didn't I? Comes along, goes down round here, in and out, which is amusing. Okay. Let's have some more food. I'm going to need to make some more food soon. I'm thinking I'll move that back. There's a splitter. Getting dark again. Oh, no, I made a boo-boo there. I want... Because then I'm limiting myself to 120. No. I want to do a splitter. Then I want a merger. Come on. Why do you not connect? Try now. No. Apparently that's off. Fine. Oh, come on. Just let him in turn. Of course not. You did why did you delete the whole thing? Grr. Here you go. It doesn't look too bad. It's straight lines. It's fine. Right, okay, so let's get rid of this. I can't believe how bright it is for you lot. Whereas for me it's quite dark. Okay, got that. Level. Level. No, I don't think that is level. No, it is level. For some reason it looks like it's a ramp. Right, so you are making... Oh, you've got blooming ingots! So what's all this for? Frustrating me, I think. So this... you're terraforming a planet, as per normal. just realised I've done all of those in the wrong one, haven't I? That does look a bit weird. When frustrating, it needs more. Yes. Doing it again. No, 9. What? I don't understand. What's going on about? So we are we're terraforming a planet again, but at the moment what I'm trying to do is I need to complete a mission, and that mission is to go to the hot zone and then I'll unlock stuff. That's what I'm trying to do at the moment. This is where it gets a little frustrating, because it's like I want you to be the same height. It has the same height. Okay. Obviously, as we said before, spaghetti, things just linking onto things, linking onto things. Oh, fiddly doodahs. No, that is in the wrong place. Did I place the building there? Yes. Yes, I did. Because I've not played this all the way through before, so I don't know all the various bits, pieces, how things link up. So I'm doing it now and then going, oh, okay, I needed to link that up. I wish I'd known that in the past. Or, you know, I wish I'd known that previously, because I would have done it differently. Logistics. Okay. What I'd like is the, as I was saying before, having the flexibility. What? Of the satisfactory with the pipes and how that works. So 67 of 110 litres. Yeah. Oh wow, okay. I might need more water. Hmm. So the idea is iron ore. Have I not? Why is it not working? Well, Red. Try actually linking everything up. You might find that when you actually connect things up properly, they may work for you. And I do say may. It's not guaranteed. Oh look! Steel alloy. Osmium ore's going in one. And nom 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 nom. Right. Why is number 5 filling up with osmium ore? Because that's number 5. Uh-huh. I can work it out. I'm clever. Honest. Right. That was painful. Right. Apparently, I'm not hot anymore. Right. So now, okay. It said with 5 data centers. Here's a data center. Okay. Right. This is not going to work then. We're going to need some more room. Right, we'll make the circuits. Okay, we'll make the circuit. Then we'll make the data centers. Okay. Really? You need 8. Oh, damn, okay. Right, what do circuit boards need? Copper plate and silica. Well, we've got silica there. Right. All of these. That's not what I wanted to do. Silly thing. And silica. Right. Make me a lot of circuit boards. Ah, hold shift down. Makes life easier. Who knew? Okay. Where are we? Righty then. Now, really, would you like you to hurry up building the circuit boards? So I'm going to need. How many servers did it want? It wanted a number of servers, didn't it? Right. I'm going to take a quick break. I'll run some ads now, and then when I come back, we'll have an hour without ads. That's on Twitch, that is.
The automatic pilot system is not functional.
This is Serb's answer machine. I'm not in at the moment. Please keep calling, but I won't pick up. Serb, stop with your cheese. Yay! I'll call that a successful mission. Nice line up in the fog. I'm genuinely impressed with that. I am genuinely impressed with how lined up that was on the runway. Okay. Let's try that then. Right. I'm going to say, UK Space Agency, we had to delay the landing on the moon due to rain at destination.
I'm done with the floor grazing now. Can I have my
Oh,
lucky?
already?
What? How is that on fire?
Base.
How are we on fire? How are we on fire? Everything's gone. We've lost it all.
Temperature critical.
I'm dead.
Suit critical.
Whoa!
Toxin critical.
Whoa!
Oh, blue fire.
That's pretty. I've lost my suit, and look at the screen.
Oh my life, thank you so much. That just scared the living daylights out of me. What's that, to wake me up? I did see who that was. Was that Delta?
Yeah, Delta.
It was Delta, yeah, Delta. Wakey, everyone!
Yes, everyone, wake up. Still 30? Oh my good grief, how many? I'm sure it was only 38 when I left. Now a verse from our collective tale. The Chadwell builder's toil by name oh, good grief, seeks to stir the soil. Frustration needs more, they jest, asking if that structure's best. Red munching gaming crafts with the flair, placing buildings with utmost care. The factory's era has just begun in Eda's crafters. We are having fun. Oh, we're having fun. Okay. It's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It needs to be quicker. But this is why you need to set the factory up so that you can just grab it. I don't know what it is. Last series of cans that I've opened, you open them and then it just, even though it's not supposed to happen with the these particular types of cans. Oh, 8, okay. So what we'll do is we will build as if we were there. Right, okay, so then we need data center wall, which requires 8. Oh my life. 1, 2. So we need 40, which means, geez, yeah. It becomes worth. I don't have silica coming over this way. Where's copper? Copper is this one. Honestly, I'm going to cut into this. I am going to cut into here. I'm going to put splitter. There. So copper's still being delivered. Right, okay, then I'm going to need a furnace. It's not going to fit. you reserve one of those Steam controllers, Joji. You see how it against your dual sense. Is the dual sense? Is the dual sense the PlayStation stuff? Okay, so I've got that. Silica there. PS5. I said PS2, didn't I? Because well, reasons, obviously. Ta-da. Sony, okay. It's a so the DualSense is the Sony controller. Let's make you. No, okay, that's not going to work. I need copper plates. Really? I need to make a circuit board. Well, there's an irony there. That will do, donkey. Fine. I mean, if that's how it has to work, that's fine. This is a bit of a butcher job? Bodge job, that's what I'm looking for. I don't know how the heck I'm going to get that into a warehouse. $45 per minute. Okay, that's not bad then. Woo-hoo. Bonk. We'll just get rid of our copper. Okay, done. That's going to help. Yeah, that's made them quicker than I could already. I mean, I guess the next thing would be... He's still bringing... We're not bringing the copper over anymore, are we? What was that refining? That's so that's refining. That's not even refining anymore. So that's copper. Yeah. Mind you, no, the copper coils, they're well, let's grab these and use these. Unfortunately, that's going to take a while. Because it takes so many, it takes 10, doesn't it? Oh, it won't go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Composite beam. Does the kitchen actually work now? Don't know if the kitchen actually works. Let's find out if the kitchen actually works. Can we cook other meals? Need more organics. Cook and eat. I feel fully rested. Okay. Well, I'm glad about that. Actually, osmium ore. Big tunnels, geothermal plant. Osmium ore. How many do you... how many do you need to analyze? I was going to say... I've got osmium ore. Don't have phosphorus. Conveyor 3. Advanced miner 2. Tunnel drill. Geothermal plant. Gear assemblies. Composite beam, osmium drill. 800. That seems like it's worth it. But that needs circuits. Urgh. Drop that. That. Let's make food because I'm going to run out. That. Wood. I'm probably going to regret that, to be honest. It should be 120. I don't want to do that. I want to make... How many did you need? 10. Of course you need 10. So shift. That's it. Saves this little finger from... Always seems to take forever when you're waiting for stuff to be made, doesn't it? I'm going to need some of these, I think. Right, what else do we need? Eight more computers. Anytime today. I bet we need 10 of these as well. 20 of those, okay. It's a shame I can't just walk away and leave it building. Right, and then I need 20 composite beams. Not enough osmium alloy. Okay. Not enough copper ingots. Because we're not storing copper ingots. Going through so fast. Copper ingots. Ooh. Nope. Oh. Right, there should be enough copper ingots. Where is the osmium? Oh, I can't come out of anything. Now that I'm squirreling again. If we get this built, well, we've got the steel alloy now as well. So we might just be able to build the rover. But do I want to... No, I don't want to just build the rover. Tunneler might be nice. And then use a train, I guess. Right, so composite. I thought we Yeah. It said I didn't have enough. Am I out of range? Is there a range on there? I mean, I would have thought that they were further away. Osmium alloy. Osmium ingot. Now I've got to make...
Rah, 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 rah.
Donk. Right, okay. You... Oh, with gold. Oh, that's blooming handy. Okay. Of course it needs gold. And I've done it the other way round. Of course. Well, that works. Why am I hearing C? That's what? I could hear the sea lapping over there. I wonder if I go any deeper, I'll be in the actual sea. Right. You are making that. Doo-doo-doo. Right, go from there to there, from there to there. Nope. Doo-doo-doo. That's probably going to break now, isn't it? Nope, that's not right. Berg. Say funny weird angles. We don't like no funny weird angles. they've all gone. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. Right, okay, that's all replaced. Right, but you still need water. That's fine, because we've got a random water pipe over here, and nothing works better than just having random water pipe. That's about right. Right, okay. That one's full, but that one isn't. Boop-a-doo. Okay. Really? You're not going to let me join that bit on there? Ha! To you too. It's fine. Nothing to worry about. It's all good. Okay. Need a couple more fibre for that one. Right, okay, but now we're getting gold is the issue, water is an issue. I should better fix this problem then. Logistics. Up. All right. Weirdo. Shall we try again? You're not going to work, no. No, that's not going to help with the flow of water, is it? Yeah. Right. Right, chuck that on, up onto there, like that, onto there, like that, onto there, and we're still 400 litres off. still 400 litres off. Damn! Alright, I mean, how much does that do? 400... We're 400 litres off. We've got to put 8 more of these on. We're okay for power though, aren't we? Power's not the issue, is it? No, we should be... I mean, we've got batteries, we should be fine. Okay. Well, apparently we're using too much water. It's going to be these refineries. Still only 108. Oh, stop doing that. Let's go and do that. Kickstart that. A little annoying, but it is what it is. I don't need carbon fibre. Right. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Get some food before I starve to death. I remember gold was a bit slow. Well, hopefully that's going to speed that up now. But I think we're actually making more. Yeah, we're producing more. So we could actually put another forge on. Put a splitter. Osmium alloy. Okay. Nope, wrong button. So then I want a merger. Boop. Boop. Then we go to a splitter. Oh, okay. What do you mean I cannot place it there? Okay. So that needs the constructor thingy bot. Legdo. There, go there. Go there, go there. And you are making that. That's much better. Although you're not outputting because you didn't actually connect up. Because reasons. Oh, look at that. Lovely. I mean, we could start upgrading some stuff to third level Ujima flips. Viable. Right, okay. Now we're getting some osmium. We need osmium for some reason, but I cannot for the life of me remember why. I don't know that I need 50, that'd be 500. It's 14, so that's 1.5 now. I think we need 30, didn't we? Anytime today. There's 20 drills. Not drills, computers. Of course, not enough circuit boards. That amazing amount of circuit boards we have to go through. One, two, three, four, five. Right, okay. So somehow we've got to get over there. Make some composite beams. Then we can make our geothermal unit. What is it with me and stopping halfway through a word? Don't know. Very frustrating. I'm wondering if we want to take another car. Maybe take the tunneler. I mean, the flattener is good. Guess it depends on how the tunneler works. Can we go up and down? Right, a geothermal unit it is. Actually, we could fly over there, couldn't we? Forgetting we've got the flight bit, the ability to fly. Okay, that's a bit of a bigger thing than I initially thought. Nice. If only I could get up there, eh? Still being built. I can't go in yet. It's a massive 3D printer. Obviously, that's all you could do, is you could come up to this far. And no further. You shall not pass. Okay, fine. That's disappointing. Right, okay. So I would have thought we're going to want power over there. So let's build. Need 10 battery cells. Not enough cobalt. Really? There must be a range on these things then. Where's cobalt going? I know it needs raw cobalt, doesn't it? That's the thing. Raw cobalt. Oh look, batteries. Yeah. The ceramics. What? Stuff went underground there, apparently. I've already got batteries. Okay. So one of them. One of them. Let's do two of those, just for giggles. What else am I going to need? A bacon. Am I really? Yeah, maybe we'll take a bacon. Bacon. Maybe a scanner. 2 sensor arrays. That was not what I actually wanted. But apparently I have 2 of them now. Ooh. Okay, where's rubber? Oh, is it 2 sensors? And another rotor. Sorry, brain fart there. I was like, but I need these. There's 3 of those. There's another one of those. 3 of those. Not enough rubber belts, obviously. Right, okay. Got that. I'm gonna want yeah, I don't know that we're gonna need that. We're probably gonna want to do some of this, but we can probably fly that over. One more rotor. One more rotor. Okay. Okay, let's... We'll need those. Don't really care, don't really care, don't really care. Yeah, so food's the only thing I really care about. Although... so that should produce 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we should be good to go, actually. Right. Nice, okay. Let's fly over there, shall we, and try not to die. Okay. I think this is the large hot point. Okay. So we're then building that. Yay! Finish printing the Iron Man. Right. Now we've probably got power everything. It's actually charging. Why does this not look like it's actually on? Have I missed something? It's still going up. But we're in... I would have said we're in the hot point. Oh, it wanted me over there. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, no, fine. My bad. That explains that, really, doesn't it? Bit eager. We'll try again. Extreme temperatures. Yeah, I guess that. 74 degrees. That made me jump. That actually made me jump. There we go. So I've got railway there. Sensors. Okay. Um. All right. Whoa. Okay. We might need something to live here. We need to go this way. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we need to kind of. We need to. Bring. Extend the greenery, I think. Definitely need to extend the greenery. Okay, so what did we unlock? Establish a research in the coldest region of the planet. Reinforced compartment with 5 data center units. We get ruby deposits, wind turbine, and climate regulator. Regulates temperatures in large areas, lowering them when too high. Ooh. Okay, well that's what we're obviously going to need to lower that. Earth-like atmosphere 0. I think we do need to start spreading out a little bit. Next objectives, phosphorus. So what do we unlock? I don't think we unlocked anything there. Ah! Water purifier level 2. Water pump 2. We already had those. Okay, so now we've got steel alloy. I need to make reinforced frame. So, okay. Presumably that's for making your factory. We've got the rover. What we do need to do is, might as well build that, mightn't we? Oh my good grief, will you press the right button? That doesn't seem to be recharging. Okay, do I have to... Okay. Fine. I need 5 plates. Not enough copper ingots. What? You lie. That's plates. Definitely gonna need more food. Definitely gonna need more food. That. No. Doo-doo-doo. La 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 la. What have we got? Are we making things? It looks like we are. Doo-doo-doo. Really? I thought it was building. I was looking up there, come back down here and it's not building. It's like, no, that's not how this is supposed to work. All right. It's recharging. Does it recharge faster? It does. Two does make it charge faster. Okay. All right, we got that going. What do we need to do to make... Can we make that? Osmium drill. Need rubber for that. Doo-doo-doo. Right, peeps. I think that's a good place to call it. Thank you very much for coming along. Appreciate all of your faces. If you're on Twitch, we're going to do a raid, so please hang around. Thank you to the awesome people going up the middle of your screen for the bits, tips, subs, resubs, gift subs, memberships, and membership pluses. Thank you for being awesome people and coming along and hanging out. If you're on the YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe and put a comment down below. It all helps. I stream Mondays, Tuesdays and Fridays between 4 and 5 UK time, assuming that stuff doesn't get in the way like it did today. You can follow me on the Blue Skies and the Discord. And once again, I forgot to do the Blue Sky going live thing. But hey, it is what it is. Yeah, so we're going to do some more of this probably tomorrow. So I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Where's there's YouTube's? So we're going to say goodbye to YouTube's. Thanks for coming along, YouTube's. Bye-bye. Right, Twitch. We are going to do a raid on the ever awesome Andy and